Hello, my name is Kate Strong, and today I'm going to be presenting my research project, Get-2-Goal Diabetes App, Estimating Risk and Remission. Starting off with some background on the app, in the US, obesity is considered a global epidemic affecting more than 40% of adults. Severe obesity is associated with increased risk for type 2 diabetes and other medical comorbidities. Research has shown that bariatric surgery leads to substantial weight loss and often to the remission of type 2 diabetes. Get-2-Goal app is a joint collaboration between the Geisinger Obesity Institute and the Bucknell CS Department. This app helps healthcare providers and patients in making decisions about whether to perform bariatric surgery. The app also tracks the recovery process after surgery, including the remission of type 2 diabetes. There are many components of the Get-2-Goal app, but this summer I am specifically responsible for refining the diabetes remission calculator and developing a new risk calculator. As an overview of my general approach for this project, I learned JavaScript, HTML, and CSS programming languages. I also had to set up an environment to run and work on the app, which entailed installing Git Bash, Cordova, and Android emulator. Then I reviewed the existing code and mapped out all the existing functions. And throughout the summer, I presented weekly at interdisciplinary team meetings with Geisinger Obesity Institute, the other Bucknell students working on the app, and our professor. Now getting into the details of my tasks, first I updated the existing diabetes remission calculator with Diarm2 based on the published literature from Geisinger as shown on the right. This calculator shows the chances of going into remission 1, 2, and 3 years post-bariatric surgery based on individual profile. And I updated this for iOS, Android, and browser version of Get-2-Goal. I was also responsible for implementing a separate diabetes risk calculator, DiGet, as a new website to complement that. This formula is shown in the bottom image. Essentially, this calculator shows patients the risk of developing diabetes due to their weight. It also shows the impact on that risk by losing some percentage of their initial weight. So far, I've successfully implemented Diarm2 for app and web browser version of Get-2-Goal. I also wrote tests for Diarm2 using all possible patient profiles. I am actively working on the new DiGet website, which will be completed by the end of summer. Moving forward, we will continue to work on the risk calculator website. Bug fixes are also a high priority. As we refine the interface, we may solicit input from patient, providers, and other key stakeholders, and it will be important to collect data on patient choices and outcomes. I want to thank our funding for this project, the Healthcare Technology Inventors Program, and thank